Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel Westside Creation, the home of creativity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a simple Ankara earring. So we need our earring, we need our Ankara material, our scissors, our tape rule, and our gum. So the measurements I'm going to use for this Ankara is 1.5 by 30. So I'm going to fold it into two, just like I'm doing, and take it to my sewing machine. I will sew it. So you take it to your sewing machine and you sew it, and you actually need two of it. So after sewing it, you apply your gum on the earring and you wrap it up with your Ankara fabric, just like I'm doing. After inserting the gum, you use your Ankara fabric to wrap it. You follow the circle, you keep applying your gum and you keep wrapping it with your Ankara fabric until you get to the end of the earrings. So if you have watched up to this part and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. To my new subscribers, you're welcome on board. I assure you, you won't regret subscribing to this channel. You're welcome. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for showing me love, for always returning to watch my video. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you. And to you who subscribe after watching this video, thank you. So you continue wrapping it and applying your gum until you get to the end of the earring. Then you trim out the excess part. You do the same for the other earring too. So you keep applying your gum. Make sure you apply your gum generously so that it will hold your fabric to the earring very well. So you trim out the excess part, then you apply your gum to hold that part very well. And you do the same for the other earring. Thanks for watching. If you love this Ankara earrings, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative fashion idea from Westside Creation. Let your style speak. See you in the next video. Bye.